Okay, I think that's enough. Go find her.
Have you seen Emily?
I have not. Have you?
No.
I see a squirrel in the tree.
That's not Emily.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay. I wasn't Emily.
Hi, Squirrel. I scared it.
Yep.
It's on a house.
Yep.
How did it get on my
You're supposed to find
house?
Emmy.
I am, but I saw
It jumped.
That's scary.
No, it isn't scary. Where's Emmy?
The squirrels have bones.
Yes.
They do.
Uh-huh.
Squirrel bones.
Uh-huh.
And we got people bones.
Yeah, you got people bones.
But the leaves have bones.
They have roots.
They have roots of bones.
Yeah, find Emmy.
What could she be? When I see Emmy trails, clues, and these are Emmy footprints.
They look like it. Follow dirt and you find Emily.
And bird poop.
And bird poop.
Emmy's a bird poop.
Oh, you pointed to her, so you found her. Ah! Here's the bird poop. She found you, bird poop.
My turn. My turn. Okay, that's pretty impressive. Get out of the way of the pooper. See, the bird poop is over there. See, I found her. Just that bird poop.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Why?
Because it can make people very sick.
And we'll have to wash our hands.
Yes, so don't touch bird poop.
And don't step on it either.
Uh-uh.